Hello and thanks for joining us again on KitPlus TV with our regular weekly roundup of news that has been added to the KitPlus press room, followed by our normal mix of guest interviews throughout the week.
Yeah, although normal isn't a word we normally associate with most of our guests, in the nicest possible way, of course. Last week we had a dangerous encounter with a boxer, HMRC, someone who crashed the Super Bowl, and a competitive motocross rider.
And we learnt about a new on-camera monitor, a wireless XLR plug-on adapter, a massive training project from Sony, and finally a great story from Southport FC showing us how they started live streaming matches to their fans.
And you can catch up with all of this on the channel, so do please subscribe and keep an eye out for the daily shows. Now, on with the news.
Travelxp, one of the world's leading travel channel brands based in Mumbai, has implemented Cinegy Air PRO, the highly optimised player automation solution.
Cinegy Air PRO is a software-based system for HD and UHD 4K player automation that uses off-the-shelf IT server hardware and certified SDI video cards.
Dejero EnGo mobile transmitters were at the heart of Spanish production company Quality Media's delivery of perfectly synchronised live video feeds from this year's Pyro Musical de la Mercè, fireworks watched by 600,000 of TV3's television viewers.
Daystar Television Network, an award-winning 24-hour faith-based network with over 5 billion viewers worldwide, has completed a massive upgrade of its communication capabilities using the Riedel Communications Artist digital matrix intercom and Bolero wireless intercom.
ATG Danmon has completed a 4K television production and live streaming facility at the Lafayette London Event Centre. Commissioned by the Venue Group, the new system allows for live relay of stage performances as well as studio-style recording. It includes robotic cameras and audio-video production control room and lots more.
Marshall Electronics has a new ML454 quad 4.5-inch rack monitor which features 4 high-resolution screens in only 2 rack units, which makes it ideal for flight packs and broadcast trucks. It supports a range of inputs including HDMI, 3G SDI and composite.
Black Box has introduced 6 new KVX Series KVM extender kits, each providing control over a remote server or computer from a local workstation with 1 or 2 screens. In addition to extending KVM signals over distances up to 100 metres over Cat-X cable or 30 kilometres over fibre with an SFP connector.
Yeah, the plug-and-play KVX extender kits from Black Box are unique in allowing users to connect a display at a remote location for local monitoring. Equally unique at this time is opening a new factory, and that's exactly what loudspeaker manufacturer PMC has done in the UK to cope with demand for its world-beating CI series.
Yeah, incorporating the same proprietary PMC technology as the company's multi-award winning audiophile speakers and studio monitors, these slimline speakers are designed with a shallow depth for on-wall and in-wall custom installations, ideally suited to your Dolby Atmos studio installations, pretty much.
Republic TV, the Indian free-to-air news channel, has upgraded its playout and production with Grass Valley's ITX integrated playout platform. The production side of Republic TV's operation is now standardised on Grass Valley's Carrera K-Frame and Cayenne K-Frame video production centres, Envision Router and LDX 82 series and Focus 75 live camera chains.
And let's take a very quick break in the news to tell you about MediaProxy, the global leader for all things compliance, with over 20 years in the business and over 15,000 channels deployed in over 60 countries.
Yeah, MediaProxy are the trusted partner in the industry for logging, monitoring and analysis of linear broadcast and OTT. And their log player is the most advanced multi-panel HTML5 user interface supported across all desktop and mobile web browsers.
Yeah, Log Player has a powerful toolset for quickly turning around clips to publish directly and easily to social media platforms like Facebook, YouTube, Twitter and many others.
And if you're looking to replace your Volacom system, team up with the global leader in compliance. For more information, please check out their website, mediaproxy.com. Okay, on with the news.
Intinor, who, if you didn't know, develop products and solutions for delivering high-quality video over the public internet. They've launched a new generation of their Rack Plus product series. For the first time, as many as 12 independent video feeds can be combined in a single device to be delivered synchronously across multiple internet paths.
Brightline has announced its Presenter Lighting Kit, which uses power over Ethernet and wireless control to deliver simple and affordable lighting packages for single presenters. Available for corner or straight installations, the new kits feature Brightline's Flex T recessed lighting LED panels for drop ceilings and drywalls.
Custom Consoles has completed 5 metre by 3 metre MediaWall for BBC Studioworks in Elstree. This new structure is installed in the production control gallery used for the supervision of programmes in the George Lucas stage.
Located in front of the production control desk, the MediaWall spans almost the full width of the gallery's front wall and supports 44 video monitors plus their associated under-monitor displays.
We've reported on the popularity of Matthews flags and floppies on previous news shows, and the company has now added the new Matthshield Floppy to the lineup. The quick setup clear floppy facilitates protection for crew, actors and gear like the rest of the 40x40 line. It's portable enough to travel in a hatchback car and compact enough to work in tight locations.
Denver-based live production giant Mobile TV Group has expanded its fleet with the launch of 47 Flex, which is the third Flex mobile unit within its OB fleet. The new 47 Flex truck takes full advantage of Calrec's Artemis digital audio console with audio over IP capabilities via Calrec's H2IP gateway technology, and it's built with Mobile TV Group's new cloud control capability.
Sony Professional Solutions have released new features for its Sony Virtual Production tool, a native cloud-based service powered by AWS. The new functionalities have been introduced based around customer demand from the pandemic, bringing the solution to a wider audience beyond broadcast production. This includes businesses and higher education institutions who are seeking to deliver high-quality events, lectures and announcements.
The software allows anyone anywhere to be in control of live event broadcasting, allowing users to broadcast their own corporate event, lectures, seminars, sports events, music gigs or festivals live on any platform. All that's needed to broadcast to a global audience on multiple platforms is a wireless camera, a laptop, and you guessed it, an internet connection.
Finally, in the news, Cooke Optics has announced that its chairman, Les Zellan, will be stepping down from the company and its CEO, Robert Howard, will be retiring, both effective from the 31st of October 2020.
Cooke is among the oldest lens brands to have continuously served the motion picture industry since 1890 and was somewhat neglected in the latter part of the 20th century until Les Zellan took it over in 1998. The following year, a 20,000 square foot facility was built in Leicester, incorporating state-of-the-art machinery that would work alongside traditional 100-year-old equipment to resuscitate the Cooke brand that began with the novel Cooke S4 prime lens design.
Have a look at our recent interview where Alistair Chapman chats with Les about the company and in particular anamorphic lenses. And while you're searching the channel, take a look at the most recent user review on the AJA Key Pro Go.
And if you want to add your own news review to our channel and earn £100 in the process, then head over to kitplus.com/reviews.
This show was brought to you with the support of Media Proxy, and you can find out more about them at mediaproxy.com.
Yep, that's it for today. Thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.